In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CPR in Tradingview step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to get the central pivot range onto any chart so you can start using it right away. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range, and it's a popular tool traders use to gauge potential support, resistance, and market bias. It can help you quickly understand where price might react during a session. Start by opening Tradingview on your computer or mobile device and load any chart you want to analyze. This can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or index. CPR works across markets and time frames. If you're just getting familiar with it, pick a symbol you know well and choose a time frame that suits your style, like the 5-minute for intraday or the daily for swing trading. The specific chart doesn't matter for this setup. The process is the same everywhere. Next, look at the top toolbar and click Indicators. This opens the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies window, which is where you can search Tradingview's built-in tools and community scripts. If you don't see it right away on mobile, you may need to tap the Indicators icon at the top of your screen. In the search bar, type Central Pivot Range, or simply type CPR. Using the full name helps ensure you select the correct one, but typing CPR usually brings it up immediately. You should see Central Pivot Range listed in the results. This is the standard CPR indicator that overlays on your price chart. Click Central Pivot Range from the results to add it to your chart. Once it's applied, you'll notice a set of horizontal bands appear around the current price area. These bands typically include a central pivot and 2 surrounding levels that act like dynamic zones of interest. Many traders use these zones to identify areas where price could pause, reverse, or break through with momentum. If you don't see the lines right away, try zooming out slightly or checking that you're on a time frame with enough visible data. Different time frames will recalculate the CPR levels, which is normal. By default, the indicator uses common settings that work well for most charts. You can explore customization later to match your preferences, but for now, the default view is perfect for getting started. That's all you need to find CPR in Tradingview. It's quick, simple, and a great addition to your analysis toolkit. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.